Niki and Ted.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hahaha. Woohoo. Hi friends. Today we are going to learn one of the sounds in English. Let's look at the sound. This sounds like oo. Says oo, 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 oo. Many words have oo sound with the letter U in the beginning or end of it. For example, put, pull, push. Can you think of a word with the U sound? Ready? Go! Time's up. Many words have U sound with the letter U in the beginning or end of it. For example, pull, pull, push. Once again, can you think of a word with the U sound? Ready? Go! Time's up. Many words have U sound with the letter U in it. For example, cushion, awful, pudding. Okay, don't forget the U sound in the beginning or end of it. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Please support us by click the subscribe and like buttons. It's really helps our video to be recommended to other parents on YouTube.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.